Hi, this is Lisa Jackson with Carpe Diem Wellness, and I am going to show you one of my very favorite desserts and something you can use for breakfast. I'm taking it in this beautiful crystal bowl that I won years ago. And for a holiday dessert that is absolutely delicious, decadent, and healthy for you. Chia pudding is so simple. You need chia seeds, fruit or something to put in it if you want to sweeten it, plus any kind of milk. But I'm going to make it festive with adding pomegranates and cranberries. And I'm going to put it in the food processor. First of all, the recipe calls for 2.5 cups of coconut milk. I'm using canned coconut milk here from Trader Joe's. Actually, this is not Trader Joe's brand, it is Thai. Full fat, unsweetened coconut milk. So I'm going to put in 2 cans. I'm using the food processor because I'm going to mix the cranberries up in it. So we're going to mix this in here. Coconut milk, 2 handfuls. This is Thai Kitchen Organic coconut milk unsweetened. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chia seeds, and these chia seeds are from Trader Joe's. Sustainably grown. They come in all different colors. I really like to put white chia seeds in here, but I didn't have it in the kitchen, so we're going to use dark. And it may change the color of the pudding a little bit, but we're adding a whole bag of fresh cranberries. And then I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of honey to sweeten it. Actually, coconut milk is kind of sweet enough, 1/4 cup here. And you can sweeten it with stevia or monk fruit or anything else. This is local raw honey I get from the farmer's market, Liberty Hill Farms in Berryville, Virginia. I love the farmers and their products. I get my liver there. They make wonderful salves, organic herbal treatments, plus they grow their own bees. They are really my local heroes. And then we are just going to put the top on. And it is turning a little pink. I'm going to right down the sides. It makes quite a beautiful pudding. It would have been better, but it'll blend up, and we're going to talk about it. Delicious anyway. The chia seeds will swell and turn into a pudding, a gel. If you need an egg substitute, you can use 1/4 cup of chia seeds, water, and make the egg as it is a binder. Chia seeds also have 4 times the fiber of flax, 3 times more antioxidants than blueberries, 6 times more calcium than milk, 15 times more magnesium than broccoli, 2 times more potassium than bananas, and 8 times more omega-3s than salmon, and 5 times more folate, B9, than spinach. All right, that's super food. And then we're just going to pour it into this bowl. I am a messy cook. I do make a mess. But that's all right. And This will thicken, and you can kind of stir it really in about 5 or 10 minutes. The pudding will thicken. Just stirring it. I could have chopped it a little longer. Smooth. And then I'm going to add my pomegranates that I peeled earlier. And I'm just going to put around. I love pomegranates, and I'm using all of them from a full pomegranate. And voila, you have a beautiful, decadent chia pudding. And then all the leftovers, I'm gonna have for breakfast, I'll have for a snack, one of my favorite dishes. Carpe Diem, have a fabulous day.